Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Versa 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the touch sensitive button on the side of your watch. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping up and down on the screen, and once you find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. I guess this is not the one we want to apply. Let's try something else, maybe this one. Okay, you can also do this through the settings, I believe. So if you swipe left on the home screen to open the menu, you can scroll through the menu, look for the clocks option, then tap on it. It will open the watch face menu. You can scroll through this watch face, find the watch face you want to use, and tap on it to select it and apply it. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the watch faces. So we can bring our phone to the side of our watch, zoom out the camera so we can see the whole screen of the phone, like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Fitbit application, and in the app you should see the today page, but we can tap on this device icon in top left corner, then select our Versa 3 from the list of devices, and here we have the gallery option. Tap on it, and in the gallery menu first you will see the watch faces on your watch, so local watch faces, and you can tap on one, tap on select, and it will be applied on your watch after a second or two, like this. You can also customize the watch faces, so if you tap on customize, you can change the color of the theme. As you can see, it's changing, and then you can go back, and once you're done you can close this page, and you can add additional watch faces by tapping plus button. It will open the clock gallery, so basically the store for the watch faces. You can look for something you like and tap on it, tap on install, allow the permissions, tap on proceed, and we'll start installing the watch face, and once it's done it will be applied on your watch. Okay, as you can see, the watch face was applied, and it will also appear on the list of watch faces local to your watch. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.